我哋有信心會贏。
Spectacular.
Extraordinary.
冇得彈。
Unexpected.
Yes.
精彩。
There's really no school where you can go and learn about how to become an Imagineer. A lot of imagination, a lot of creative thinking to create these parks. It's so much fun. It's so cool.
好開心今日可以被邀請嚟到 Toy Story Land 嘅 Opening Ceremony，咁我哋都好興奮。
Awesome! That was great. You got to do this.
好玩。
This is the greatest job in the world. You get to create things that make people happy.
頭先同阿 Jo 傾完偈，對我 project 係有幫助嘅。佢鼓勵我哋，即係唔好覺得有啲嘢係冇可能嘅，冇嘢冇可能。
Believing in your abilities, loving what you do. I think as an artist, that's the most important thing.
可以天馬行空咁樣想像，而 apply 翻去現實生活度，即係會沾沾自喜咯。哇！如果真係有啲飛天嘅纜車喺迪士尼嘅上空，哇，幾靚㗎喎！
好多時最好嘅設計或者最好嘅結果，你睇翻之前嗰個過程，其實係充滿微笑。我所講嗰種所謂快樂設計，其實就係一個快樂嘅過程。
因為以前我會覺得 present 係應該要好 formal 啦，要寫好晒廣告，要背熟晒佢。聽完 Tommy Lee 嘅 talk 啦，我會要一個輕鬆啲嘅手法，同埋要自己要有好有信心，因為咁樣先至可以說服到人哋咯。
希望各位同學喜歡 Disney Imaginations Hong Kong 呢個 program， 從中所吸收到嘅經驗咧，希望都可以啟迪到你哋本身個人啦，以後日後發展應該都會裨益良多嘅。
最開心當然係構思成個樂園啦，自己擺自己想做嘅嘢落去啦，咁啊其實係好開心嘅。
都好興奮，因為可以將鄭添人嘅努力喺迪士尼呢度 present 出嚟。
佢哋擺咗好多心機去將成個 presentation 整到好生活化，好似直情係一個 experience。
我哋嘅 present 有多類型嘅嘢不停轉換，咁就有啲擔心就係技術上面會棘咗。
我哋要努力執生。
They included so many elements that I really wasn't expecting them, so it was great.
Are you ready for the very exciting ride?
Let's go.
頭先佢哋嘅反應真係好好。
透過呢個機會，俾到佢哋睇到係真係可能將一個夢想為迪士尼樂園去設計一個園區，咁呢個係一個天馬行空嘅想像，但係你唔好諗到佢咁遠，其實原來可以自己都可以參與裏邊，同埋呢件事真係可能會成真。
And I also expect that the winning team will really be inspired by winning, and that they'll take this ideas and the passions that they have for art and design.
I'd also like to express my appreciation for all the inspiring work and design created by our young talent.
Congratulations, you have done an excellent job. All your works are simply outstanding, and you should be really proud of yourself.
I think student performance was exceptional. They should be congratulated. No matter who the winner is, they're all winners.